Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Venezuela. And now, let's move on to our next country, ladies and gentlemen. From Orlando, Beyond the Kudisai, ladies and gentlemen. Miss Mamumo Division, the one and only Miss Japan. Beyond the Kudisai. Ladies and gentlemen, from Miss Mamumo Division, all the way from Japan.
Konbawa! Konbawa! My name is Pukiko Maikuto from Chinchintabero, Oishi, Okinawa, Japan!
Give it up for Miss Japan, ladies and gentlemen, from Miss Japan. Ladies and gentlemen, and now, ladies and gentlemen, from Miss Mamumo Division, let's give way from next country, Miss Iraq. Alright. And now, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Iraq. And now, let's continue our next country. Ladies and gentlemen, from Miss Mamumo Division, give it up for Miss Mongolia. Mongolia yan. Ladies and gentlemen, from Miss Mamumo Division, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Mongolia. Palakpakan naman tayo mga kabayan!
Mongolia!
Ladies and gentlemen, on the way from Mongolia, ladies. And last but not the least, yes, 100% trust me, Pinoy na Pinoy to, ladies and gentlemen. On the way from the country of the Philippines, magpalakpakan may kasamang sigawan, Miss Philippines!
Mabuhay! 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 My name is Marites. Tropa nyo. Nanggaling kung saan mahal ang bigas, marami man durugas, marami man durukot, pati sibuyas, mahal Pilipinas!
Yes, once again, give it up for our exotic diva, the one and only, our stand-up comedian, Miss Philippines, Jaya! Magpalakpakan naman tayo dyan na may kasama sigawan mga kabayan, the one and only, fresh from Philippines, Miss. Siyempre, alamin mo yung ilang.
Huwag mo sasabihin all the way, baka mamaya sabihin nila maghuhugot-hubad ako.
All the way.
Di ba pag sinabi sa Pilipinas all the way, hubot-hubad?
Hindi lang ngayon, may jingle din, jingle all the way.
Okay, sige.
Alright. Palakpakan niyo naman the one and only Jaya. Nag-enjoy ka ang lahat!
Okay, so we proceed. Meron pa tayong ano?
Meron tayong request.
Okay, we have a requested song here! Oh my God! Ang ganda ng song na to! Hindi ko mabasa. Punya na. Ano to?
State of the Nation.
Alright, galing kay Ate Jen. Alright.
Sige,
At Bebito.
kanta na, tugtog.
Sige, so Ayan na! May kinabot na. Ay, may kinabot din.
Ano yan?
Saan galing?
Sa kay Ate Jen. Sa nag-request.
Ay, sino nag-request?
Sa kanila to.
Alam, Jen, alalahanin mo may utang ka kapos na akin. Siya, sige, continue!
Ladies and gentlemen.